Consumer Price Index. The formula is summation of IW divided by summation of W. I is nothing but a index, W is weights. First problem, the following are the group index numbers and group weights of an average family budget. Construct price index. They are given the groups food, fuel and light, cloth, house rent, miscellaneous. Index number 152, 110, 130, 100 and 90. Weights 48, 6, 8, 12 and 15. We have to calculate a consumer price index by using this formula. They are given the groups, they are given the index is taken as I, weights is taken as W, then we have to calculate IW. I index and weights are multiplied. 152 into 48, 7296, 110 into 6, 660, 130 into 8, 1040, 100 into 12, 1200, 90 into 15, 1350. The total of weights is called as summation of W, that is 89. The total of index and weights is taken 11,546. The consumer price index summation of IW divided by summation of W. 11,546 divided by 89, that is 129.73. In this way we have to calculate consumer price index. The another two methods are aggregate expenditure method and family budget method. Aggregate expenditure method is calculated by using the formula summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. P1 is price of current year, Q0 is quantity of base year. P0 is price of base year, Q0 is current quantity of base year. Family budget method is calculated by using the formula summation of PV divided by summation of V. V is the value of the base year, that is P0 Q0. P is P1 divided by P0 into 100. First problem, calculate the current cost of living index number from the information given below by aggregate expenditure method and family budget method. They are given the commodities. Quantity of base year is taken as Q0, price of base year is taken as P0, price of current year is taken as P1. The quantity of current base year 5, 1, 2, 4, 20, 40, 10 and 1. Price of base year 1100, 1500, 400, 150, 80, 80, 200, 2000. Price of current year 1375, 1800, 600, 200, 160, 160, 250, 2500. Firstly, we have to calculate a aggregate expenditure method. They are given the quantity, commodities, quantity of base year, price of base year, price of current year. We have to calculate the value, that is P0 Q0. Multiply P0 and Q0 values. Then we have to calculate P1 Q0, price of current year multiplied by quantity of base year. 1100 into 5, 5500, 1500 into 1, 1500, 400 into 2, 800, 150 into 4, 600, 80 into 20, 1600, 80 into 40, 3200, 200 into 10, 2000, 2000 into 1, 2000. The total of P0 Q0 is 17,200. P1 and Q0 is multiplied. 1375 into 5, 6875, 1800 into 1, 1800, 600 into 2, 1200, 200 into 4, 800, 160 into 20, 3200, 160 into 40, 6400, 250 into 10, 2500, 2500 into 1, 2500. The total is 25,275. We have to apply to the formula. Aggregate expenditure method equals summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. 25,275 divided by 17,200 into 100. The value is 146.94%. Next method is family budget method. They are given the commodities, quantities, P0, P1. We have to calculate P value. P formula for calculating the P1 divided by P0 into 100. V is nothing but a value of the base year. PV, we are already calculated P value and Q value. Multiplication of P and V is called as PV. The P value is calculated 1375 divided by 1100 into 100, 125. 1800 divided by 1500 into 100, 120. 600 divided by 400 into 100, 150. 200 divided by 150 into 100, 133. 160 divided by 80 into 100, 200. 160 divided by 80 into 100, 200. 250 divided by 200, 125. 2500 divided by 2000 into 100 is 125. The V value is already calculated in the before problem, that is P0, Q0. Then we have to calculate PV. 125 into 5500, 6,87,500. 120 into 1500, 1,80,000. 150 into 800, 1,20,000. 133 into 600, 79,800. 200 into 1600, 3,20,000. 200 into 3,200, 6,40,000. 125 into 2000, 2,50,000. 125 into 2000, 2,50,000. The total of PV is 25,27,300. The value of the total of V is 17,200. Apply to the formula. Summation of PV divided by summation of V. 25,27,300 divided by 17,200. Then the value is 146.93. In this way we have to calculate a family budget method. The another problem, construct consumer price index number for the following data. They are given the commodities, they are given the units and quantity consumed in 2000, price of 2000, price of 2010. Quantity consumed in 2000 is taken as quantity of base year, price of 2000 is taken as price of base year, price of 2010 is taken as price of current year. We have to calculate the two methods, aggregate expenditure method and family budget method. And also in this problem they are given the individual units ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is first unit is quintals, kg, liters, meters and units. Q0 5, 25, 20, 25, 20. P0 is 1200, 20, 20, 50, 100. P1 is 1800, 25, 30, 45, 200. P0 Q0, that is 1200 into 5, 6000. 20 into 25, 500. 20 into 20, 400. 50 into 25, 1250. 100 into 20, 2000. Then we have to calculate P1 Q0. P1 1800 into 5, 9000. 25 into 25, 625. 30 into 20, 600. 45 into 25,000, 125. 200 into 20, 4000. The total is 15,350. Apply to the formula. Aggregate expenditure method equals summation of P1 Q0 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. 15,350 divided by 10,150 into 100. The value is 151.23%. Then second method, family budget method. They are given the commodities, 5 commodities, quantity of base year, price of base year, price of current year. We have to calculate the value P0 Q0. Then we have to calculate the price P1 divided by P0 into 100, that is 1800 divided by 1200 into 100, 150. 25 divided by 20 into 100, 125. 30 divided by 20 into 100, 150. 45 divided by 50 into 100, 90. 200 divided by 100 into 100, 200. We have to calculate PV. 150 into 6000, 9 lakh. 125 into 500, 62,500. 150 into 400, 60,000. 90 into 1,000, 250. 1,12,500. 200 into 2,000, 4 lakh. The total of PV is 15,35,000. apply to the formula summation of PV divided by V. 15,35,000 divided by 10,000, 150. The value is 151.23%. In this way, we have to calculate aggregate expenditure method, family budget method, and consumer price index method.